everyone! Are you looking for a one-bedroom, not a studio, to buy or not? If yes, this condominium is a good property for you. Today, I am at Trams Condominium in THB area. The size of this condominium is 46.97 square meter. This condominium has got a building facility that I cannot wait to show you because it's got a rooftop garden that's had an exercise room where you can enjoy the view of the mountain. And it's also got an entertainment room, study room, and a meeting room. Not just that, it's got a big relaxing area where you can enjoy the view of Chiang Mai. So let's go check inside. Follow me. So first you walk in, you will see a very nice kitchenette with refrigerator, microwave, electric stove with hood, and a lot of kitchenette space. And next to this is a living area that is got a very comfy sofa, and it's connected with a small balcony where you can hang your clothes or also can install the washing machine. And it's also got a big television with a TV stand where you can put some nice decoration. And right behind me, this is a very nice dining area. It comes with a 4-seat table set. For the sleeping area, it's got a clear glass door to separate from living area and the bedroom. Let's check out the bathroom. For the bathroom, the size is quite big compared to the other condominium bathroom. And it's also got a glass sliding door to separate wet and dry area. And it also got the water heater. This bedroom is this very big space. It comes with a 4-door of wardrobe and the dressing table. It's also got a space here where it's got another door that connects with living area. To me, personally, I would add another glass door to separate from sleeping area and this area that you can use it for office space or whatever that you like. And this unit, it's got 2 big window sides that is allow the natural light and the fresh air come in. And you also can enjoy the mountain view from here. This condo Trams in THB is very close to THB Plaza, and it's also close to Canal Road and very easy to get around. This condo has got many facilities like security 24 hours, and to enter the building you will need a thumb scan or face scan or a key card. And this condominium is only needs a password to enter the apartment. It's also got a rooftop garden. It's really nice view. Have an exercise room, a meeting room, study room. For more information, please call me at this number or comment down below. Once again, please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss a great property from us. See you next time. Bye!